Wait! Who's going on and all that? What about? Who's got one? Go to the box, go left, go right!
Man down! Man down!
Water on it.
Alright. Stop it. Kieran's hit.
Kieran, get ready to run, or I give a signal. Get ready to run! Go!
Good move, good split. Nice, 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 nice. Good thinking. Yeah. Wind it, Kieran.
Okay, not going out there again.
Make the break across.
Well, that farm's it, I'm running. Game over! Are you good? Let's go up the path. You got a right shield.
That's a good idea. Oh yes, extra protection.
Yes, boys, yes!
He's a tank.
Right, get out of it. Give me good, give me good.
Oh, the finger.
Tell me where I'm going. You go, stop, stop, stop! Stop!
I like the thinking.
Good. I don't know where the hell down! Over there, over there. It worked, I think. See what? Ah, God, down at there, close.
Gee. Oh.
Good, is anything on there?
No, it's difficult.
I didn't get here, son, you! What, though?
Oh, on the leg. Game over. Oh, ow. Oh, that got me. Going down?
Yeah. Simon!
There's another mag back there.
I reckon the bus is around Simon. Fuck off! Simon, you take that shit out of underneath 400,000 pounds, you know. There you go for it. How? Ah! What? I'm dead technically. You're running out of spaces to run, mate. No, not really. Shoot Lewin!
Hold the gate! Hold the gate! Get in and tag him, Simon! Quick!
9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm not. You're dead. What the hell are you doing? You were shooting at me. You were counting. I was shooting at Simon. What are you waiting all the way back there? Oh God, that's what? Then why are you